Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into ospf and Ansible. Ospf helps routers efficiently determine the best path for data, while Ansible automates network configurations, making life easier. Think of ospf as the GPS for your network and Ansible as your chauffeur. When they work together, network setups become a breeze. And let's be honest, fewer mistakes mean fewer panic calls from your boss. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Before jumping into configurations, let's cover the must-haves. You need some networking knowledge. Don't worry, no rocket science involved. Ansible should be installed on your machine, and you need access to devices that speak ospf. Also, SSH connectivity is a must because, well, Ansible likes to whisper sweet automation commands securely. Get these in place and you're ready to roll. Alright, time to install Ansible. Depending on your system, you can use apt, yum, or pip. A quick version check with Ansible version confirms it's set up correctly. You'll also need network automation modules. Think of them as Ansible's secret sauce. Oh, and Python. Ansible loves Python, so make sure it's ready to go. Ospf is like the brain of your network. It constantly updates, learns, and finds the best paths for data. Unlike distance vector protocols, it sees the bigger picture, like a detective solving a case. The cost-based metric ensures efficiency, and multiple areas allow scalability. Think of it as breaking your network into manageable chunks instead of one giant puzzle. Ansible's inventory file is like your guest list. It tells Ansible who's invited to the party. Using YAML keeps things neat and structured. Grouping devices makes management easier, and a quick connectivity test ensures everyone's ready. Imagine sending a ping like texting "Hey, you there?" to your routers. Welcome. Let's start with the basics, verifying your ospf configuration. First, ensure ospf is running on all devices. Then, check if interfaces and network statements match the intended setup. If neighbors aren't showing up, something's off. Finally, show commands are your best friend here. Use them to inspect ospf tables. Think of it like detective work, but instead of solving a crime, you're fixing your network. Now on to troubleshooting. If ospf isn't working right, first check for mismatched area settings. It's a common culprit. Authentication issues can also wreak havoc, so double-check those configs. Routing table inconsistencies. Time to investigate. And don't ignore logs. They hold the secrets to what's really going on. Basically, ospf troubleshooting is part network engineering, part detective work. Grab your magnifying glass. Managing ospf across multiple devices manually. That's a recipe for headaches. Automation is here to save the day. Python scripting and Ansible make life easier. Standardized templates ensure consistency across devices, reducing errors. And scheduling automation means you can sit back while scripts do the heavy lifting. The dream scenario. You get your network configured while sipping coffee. Let's talk best practices with Ansible. Role-based playbooks keep things modular and manageable. Clear variables and defaults prevent unexpected surprises. Always test in a sandbox before rolling changes out to production, unless you enjoy living dangerously. And once implemented, monitor carefully to ensure everything behaves as expected. Because let's face it, automation is fantastic until it accidentally wipes your configs. OSP security is crucial because an insecure network is an open invitation for trouble. First, enable authentication to prevent unauthorized neighbors from joining the party. Route filtering stops unnecessary advertisements from cluttering your network. Keep an eye on OSP traffic for anomalies, because if something looks weird, it probably is. Following security best practices means your OSP setup stays safe and sound. We've covered a lot. To sum up, verify configurations, troubleshoot smartly, automate wisely, and secure everything. OSP can be complex, but with the right approach, it becomes manageable. Don't stop here. Keep learning and experimenting to refine your skills. The more you practice, the more confident you'll be. OSP mastery doesn't happen overnight, but hey, wouldn't it be nice if it did? Thank you for joining this session on ospf. I appreciate your time and interest. If you have questions, let's discuss. They say the best learning happens through conversations. Check out additional resources to dive deeper, and most importantly, keep exploring. Networking is a vast world, and the more you dig in, the more fascinating it gets. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.